In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make scrambled eggs from start to end. And I'm going to be doing my scrambled egg today with 6 eggs. So I'm going to start by cracking the egg right in the bowl right here. So I'm just going to crack the egg in the bowl. So this is my stove right over there. I'm going to start by putting my stove on. Yeah, I put my stove on medium and just wait for the oil to get hot. I already got the frying pot on the stove and I got a little bit of oil in it. Yes, and this is the egg right here. So I'm just gonna, while waiting for the pot or the oil to get hot, I'm just gonna be mixing the eggs. Yeah, if you want to know how many eggs, this is 6 eggs I just cracked in the bowl. So I'm gonna be mixing it up while the pot get hot. So I got a pot on the stove right here, and the stove temperature is on to almost 4 over there. So this is the egg right here. I'm just gonna be taking the egg and be putting it in the pot right here. Yeah, don't make the stove hot, okay? Yeah. So I got the egg in the pot right here. I'm just gonna be going and be stirring it like this, just like this.
It's the kitty.
Yeah.
The kitty.
This is how I make my scrambled egg. So I'm just gonna be mashing it just like this. Yeah. And then when you're doing this, you don't want your stove, you don't want to make your stove really hot. Yeah. Just make your stove low. Yeah. And for me, I like my scrambled egg to be like half done. Yeah. I want it to be very soft. So like this, with this, I think it's okay for me. Yeah, just like this is okay. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna turn the stove off, and then I can continue the process behind the scene. So I'm gonna be turning the stove off right here, and I still keep it on the stove right here, just like this, and then keep mashing it up. I don't want my egg, the scrambled egg, to be that hot. I just like it just like this. Yeah, this is how I like my scrambled egg to be. Yes, this is how my kids and I make our scrambled eggs for breakfast. Yeah, just like this, and it's all ready, guys. So if you're just joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and come again for more videos. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Love you so much, guys. Support me now. I'm a new content creator. Yeah, so please help me meet my goal. My goal is, for my first step, I want 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, guys, and I just have 300, so I got more work to do. Please support me. If you come across this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, I love you so much. So this is what my kids and I are going to be having for breakfast this morning. Scrambled egg. Yeah. And like this, I don't need to eat this with anything. I'm just going to be eating the just like that. Yeah. And this is very, very soft. Yeah. Let me taste one and see how it tastes there. Oh my goodness, it tastes good. Yes, it is. My baby girl said yes, it tastes good.
Abby, I made some food for you.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Love you.